Sige, we'll immediately start the rolling. Dale, go.
Yes, good morning, Go.
Hi there.
Go, we would like to know any update or status of the ayuda that you promised for the drivers and the Manhaban drivers here in Cebu.
We really want streamlining the guidelines. So after 1 week, kaya ubang mga drivers na namin yung hakag, diba, I'm right? Yeah, so habang driver yun ang punta rin agad sa province. But we will do it after the 1 week. After the 1 week, yeah.
Do you have any amount Go, as to how much will Manhaban drivers receive?
Wala pa may definite amount, no? So actually working with 3,000 to 5 din. 3,000 to 5,000 ang actually sila.
Go, are there any requirements or saan nila pag-avail din ng mga Manhaban drivers? Do they have to register or?
Not much na usually, actually.
Yes, actually, muna na, most LGUs naman ay monitoring na sila ron kay some LGUs would like to do the same initiative. So, like Cebu City, doon naman balita na i-handle sa nila. So, I think all other LGUs will be doing the same. So, ang instruction na ito karoon with the social welfare offices, kung sila ihatag dito, sunod na lang. Kaya para mag-delay mo na one time. Kaya ang ginaglukan na ito, magkalaan na ito with Leo, hindi na ito mambiyahin na mag-drive pa. Kaya na may cash assistance. So, we're also leaning sa guidelines na possible na namin i-partner na station. Ang gas doon lang ihatag, hindi yung cash. Kaya para may tabo, hindi mag-card. Kaya namin i-partner per tao. Ano rin sila magawa sa gas. So, ang target is around 8,005 because wala pa akong define legal and status mga LGUs.
Is this one time check?
No, wala din siya. Depende din siya sa pila ihatag sa LGU. So, naman na yung consumption doon karoon na gilitan ako na mo. So, 1,000 can cover at least 2 weeks period. So, kasi kung 5,000 sa mo, cover siya 2 months ang target na mo. So, ang 2 months target mo, hopefully, kung ang target nyo na ma-normalize na kung taan crisis na oil in the next 2 months.
So the 5,000 is fuel subsidy.
Fuel nila.
Dito siya ka ng kwanta para ako.
Fuel nila.
Yeah, because if there's fuel, they can earn from it and get money from it. And we will work closely with the LGUs and the mayors.
Kung additional na aside sa Manhaban, dahil sa mga comment section na ang mga tricycle drivers na available na sa kanan.
But those are confident.
Well, sa tricycle driver, they are registered formal sector. Cover sila sa assistance sa national emergency. So, tanan ng mga rehistrado, asosasyon na ay association or cooperative, i-cover din sila fully sa national. So, katong i-cover, katong hindi masunod, kaya kabal-abal na kasi formal transport movement. Pero nasa sila mga grupo, pero kung kay informal, kung sa registered LTO or other mga mechanism, muna dito lang ito, para wala may alam pa. Nagkanaling nag-support tayo natin sa transport.
Sir, ang mas makasud aning beneficiaries kay dapat na adjust sila yung grupo niya. What if, okay, di ba, since this is an informal sector man ang kamalapal. So, saan natin ang mga
That's why we're working closely with the LGUs also.
ano na yung current na lista?
Yes.
How about the other drivers? Wala lang siya, pero how about the PUG drivers?
They're being covered now by national. So that's why we just focused on them, on the drivers.
Army?
Sir, sa follow-up question, naano ba tayo na-identify sis na naman ay flow yun? Naano ba tayo na-identify na group of habal drivers asa rin sila na
Yes, actually, sa lista, may initially na nasa around 5,000 sa Bukong Province. Pero iba rin din na mo kay tama ko yung ba na habal lang kaya mo kay huwag ng buto. Pwede doon para adalan ka sa so we really want to clean up na isip ka together with the LGU. Kasi sila man yan pero sa niya. Ilahang isda mo na
means nga ang qualify ani katulad yung nag-drive ng motor na di pa nag-iya niya ang motor. Not necessarily katong operate.
Content siya, defined by say, tawag naman ng sectoral marginalized intervention. So, ang explanation ng Lutero, naghahan ng ihatan sa nagayang sector. Kanina po mga habal-habal, pwede mo sila Fisher, Brooks, or Ivy, na sideline nila ang kanang pure habal-habal rider. So, based lang sa list, if, for example, dito, din ang katagaan sa intervention sa habal-habal. Kailangan makalito. So, muna yung naitabo sa income sa kamuha ng ipo. So, para din yung
Publication.
yes.
That's why it took longer.
Ang kanibang mga malaban drivers na ay huwag siya mostly sa province. Kung sa mga kinahanglan na mag-require ng driver's license.
Well, not necessarily.
Yes, inanin siya. If, for example, as a license, pero mag-umari sila, amo sila ito sa partner, na-gets niyo. Kaya di mo sa dapat yung violate yung law mo, analyze ka. So, pwede mo sila kasunod na women in the or something pa, pwede siya masunod dito. So, we're really cleaning up the list para makadaan yun na naaanak na sektor, pero pwede ba may sector? So, karoon lang ang rate up sa farmers sa lista na nagkabalabal, pero farmers sila. So, ako na lang yung sa farmer sector.
We're looking into a program also that will help the habal-habal driver get registration and also their license. So it is a way for them to help us also, to help them also.
Go, sa habal-habal yung go ba? Kinahanglan ba na sila accredited na kooperatiba or grupo lang o may klaro?
Yeah, but then endorsed by the LGU. Endorsed by the LGU. Not sila backing sa LGU sa mga mayors, then we will honor.
No, you visited the public markets. What did you find out? Were there any rise in the prices or the same gap?
So far, nitaas ang mga premium rice man. But then, ako na tuan, Mandawi and Talisay, okay naman, wala may excessive increase of price. And maayos na kayo ang monitoring sa Mandawi and Talisay. After congratulate the mayors also, especially those parts of 40 municipalities na actively monitor sa prices. And every Thursday, we give them updates sa essential goods. So far, maayo naman. And also, ang response sa public regarding the 48 kilo price sa Colorado. I'm sure you know about it na nag-viral and people are doing out from morning until evening to purchase the 48 kilos price.
Incoming Holy Week, what's the instruction na po sa terminal and then sa public?
Ang ako yung instruction niya amin here is comfort of passengers with make sure na comfortable sila and make sure na hindi mag-antos para sa unang ang linya maabot dito sa Inwal na I want to avoid it. I want to make sure na comfortable sila o niya natay free buses no, for vulnerable sectors and also make sure available ang water o medical services dito sa South Bus and the North Bus. And also we are offering free bus services na to. And gilower na sa dato. We announced it, now yeah, we lower the kung ano siya. Okay, price adjustment sa South Bus, no? Ang 250 normal rate na to for the buses, akong ginawa ko 200. Kanya ang ato ang 200 for V hire, ginawa na to 150. So ang ganang entrance sa taxi dito sa South Bus used to be 20, now it's 10 pesos. Now we're starting by today. Starting today.
Go ba sa impact ani sa ato ang transfer sector sa pag-lower na sa terminal fees sa South Bus?
It's going to be a big help for them. Yeah, so of course, with the rising price of fuel, makatawag din sila. So we're just doing what we can to help them also. But for the longest time, I wanted to remove the 20 pesos kaning tax for taxis, but this is an ordinance we cannot touch. So that's why we lowered it na lang to 10 pesos. Kaya dagan kayo reklamo aning 20 pesos excludes taxi dito sa South Bus. Also in the North Bus, also in the North Bus. So, for 3 months. atong i-down.
So both
Yeah,
go
okay.
na sa Southwest and Northwest.
South Bus and North Bus. But last year, we removed it for how many days during the holiday? Talag also, no? 2 days we removed it. So now, hopefully, we will remove this one.
For 3
No, I mean, for starting today, i-lower na din mo. Di ba, excluding mo sa South Bus, 20 pesos. So, current 10 pesos na.
For 3 months di siya na.
Or 13 months, for 3 months.
Di ba ni siya o amendment sa PD Go ordinance na dito?
Based on the ordinance, revenue code ordinance mo rin siya, nag-authorize ang ECC, o the Economic Enterprise Council, for adjustment of prices. And then, it's reasonable by the order of the governor, and everyone is experiencing prices now. So the meeting over time with monthly meeting with the members of the commission board, was member of the council. And in 15 minutes time, we all agree, this is a big help in terms of kind of cost, not just for the drivers, but also our entire transport operation. Effective today until June 24, 2026.
And this adjustment will extend after 3 months.
Based on assessment.
Based on assessment.
Go, speaking, Ian Navarro from CCTV and Brigada. Speaking of kanang Holy Week, nabatay issue nga siguro dugang pang direktiba nga to sa mga local government units just to make sure nga magpabiling luwas ang danagdagsanan sa mga tao from termin na sumaptanan. Nato na sa mga simbahan for next week to.
Yeah, I talked with yesterday with RD7, Lieutenant PNP, General Maranan, and I will really deploying and looking into the safety of all the passengers. So they will start deploying with Siguro next week, no? Or this Friday. I'm just waiting for information, and I will go to CPPO for this. So we make sure that safe yun ang atong mga kartalan, atong mga bus stations, and PNP will do their part.
Any questions
Now,
for
question
Gov?
or Amid or any?
For Gov specifically?
Yakbat.
Sige, Sir Lloyd.
Gop, ako lang wala may. Gop, supply na to sa bugas o fuel. Daghan pa yun? Daghan pa ba yun? Or
So
sa
what I complaints
Abikin na.
about, so what I complaints about the supply of rice and fuel. Mahal lang.
Okay.
Okay, we're good with the Gov. Okay, pull up ang si Gov. But anyway, you have questions for Sir Ahmed. Pwede na kayo ask Sir Ahmed. You're good? Thank you, Gov. Wala na ang question niya? Okay, thank you.
Salamat.